Hi, in this tutorial I will introduce you how to operate the system on Helmsman seat on Seamaster 45. I'll show you the most important technical things. First thing I want to show you is how to turn on the engines. So we've got this little panel here. You have these two buttons for ignition. Just press once. If you want to start the engines, you just need to hold on for 2 seconds. Left and right engine. And if you want to stop it, you press again these two buttons and also turn off the ignition. Second thing I want to show you is electrical trimmers. You have on and off button. You just go down with these two. You can use these two at the same time if you want. And also, if you want to go up, just like this. And off. Okay. Third thing I want to show you is bow thruster. If you want to use it, you need to press twice. And right and left. And if you want to turn it off, just press once. VHF radio station. Hold this button right here if you want to use it. And you have chart plotter. You have Autopilot. If you want to use it, press this button right here. And auto. If you want to turn it off, press standby and then hold on the same button. You have indicators of voltage of batteries. You have levels of fuel, water and waste. You have these two buttons. This is for anchor light and this is starboard light, board and starboard light. You have wipers if it's raining. And horn. That's it.